Today we have discussing about regression prediction model machine learning. Here, first question: house rent price prediction. Description: predict house rent price based on various features, location, size, number of rooms using regression algorithms. Then tools are the kids learn pandas matplotlib. Here, this is the dataset we have see in the program. Here, first import NumPy, Pandas. All libraries are importing Matplotlib, Cbonds, Sklearn, model, linear model, metrics. All are important. And loading the data set. Here, this is the data set, house rent data set posted on BHK rent size, floor, area type, area locality, city, floor, area type, area locality, city, furnishing status, tenant preferred, bathroom, point of contact. Here, this is the data set, character, integer, all type of included are there. And then next is finding the missing values. Here, finding the missing values, all value are getting this post on 0, BHK 0, rent size, floor, area type, all are city, furnishing status, bathroom, point of all are 0, missing values changing. And next, drop any rows or column with the missing values if necessary. df is equal to drop n here. Then next, convert categorical future to numerical using one hot encoding. Then encoding step, this is df is the variable of the dataset. Then pd.get demise df drop. First is true. Then next check is converting categorical value, and another getting df.head. Here we can see post on Post on 2000 all are the false values. City of Delhi, City of Kolkata, City of Mumbai, City of Kolkata true getting, and City of Mumbai false getting evenly the type the values. Then next df info, we can see class panda score data frame, range index 4746 entries and 0 to 4745. Then columns are 2810 entries. Then bhk to point of contact owner. Then data type is bold data types. How many bold data types are 2806 and the integers are 4. Then next step we can see future selection. First imported panda as PD and load the data set files and ensure you have the correct path or URL to the dataset. And after checking the first few row to ensure the dataset is loaded correctly, then future selection x and target variable by. Then x is variable df size bhk bathroom, and then y is df variable is rent, target variable rent. Then output to confirm the future selection is future x and target y select successfully print. After the getting the value, post on bhk rent size, this is the value, floor, area type, area locality, city, furnishing status. This is the values. Then futures x and target is y, bathroom point contact. Then next step is split train and text data. Here we can see scalar imported libraries and split the data into train and test set. X train, X test, Y train, Y test, and train test with X, Y, X size 0 to random state for 2. Then output will be print data split into train and test data successfully. Then after the splitting the data set into train and test sets, then important libraries and assuming X and X test and X train data already defined. Initial the standard scalar. Scalar is equal to standard scalar. Then scale the training data. X train scaled scalar to fit transform X train and then scale the test data. X test scaled is equal to scalar dot transform X test. Then initialize a dictionary to store result model. Then output will be confirmed scaling and initialization. Then the data scaling complete and model result dictionary initialized. Then after linear regression, here important libraries, metrics and linear models are important libraries in linear regression. After initialized model result dictionary, if not already done, then model result linear regression is calculating model LR model linear regression LR model X train scaled by train, then predict their model Y and X test scaled. Then after evaluation, MSC linear mean square error Y test and Y predict linear, then predict linear, then R2 is linear regression, R2 square Y test Y predict linear regression. Then after store the value, model result linear regression is equal to MSC LR or R2 LR. Then output result is print linear regression MSC MELR and R square R2 LR. Then linear regression MSC result is 255477777.045534. Then R square value is 0.3589632, etc. Then next decision tree regression when we calculate, then imported libraries, decision tree, regression, X and Y models imported, then predict the expressity, then evaluation, mean square error predicting, then store the result, assuming model result is defined a dictionary, then model result, decision tree, DP decision tree code we will input, and after the output is decision tree regression is MSC is equal to 344918. There the values and R square is 0.134540 decision tree regression output value. Then next random forest regression. Here we can imported libraries also and random forest regression. We examine train data, then predict the models after evaluation, y test, then store the result random forest regression, MSC, RF random forest regression and R square random forest regression. Then the output will be get in MSC random forest regression is 3011 and 614 2.83 value, etc. Then R square is random forest regression 0.2442 0.5654 etc. Then next rigid regression, import the values and predict the rigid regression models. Then evaluation, MSC rigid regression and R square and MSC we will evaluation. Then store the result after the MSC rigid regression value is 255,484.446351. Then R square is 0.35895113888 value. Then model result is rigid regression is 255482415.446351. Then 0.358951 etc. Then next step is coding step is convert the results dictionary to a data frame from easier comparison. Then result df variable can input and data frame models mean squared error, r squared error, then print the result mean squared and r square, then visualizes r square value for comparison results r square plot plain bar color sky blue, then plot r square value of different models. We will see the plot. Rigid regression is x-axis, r squared is y-axis, r squared value of difference model is seen. Rigid regression mean square error 2.554 and r square is 3.5895. We can see the graph. Then one of the isotonic regression. Here we can import libraries and initialize isotonic, fit the model of the training data. Isotonic regression expect a 1D array for X, so will use only one feature like size. X train scaled using the first feature size as an example. Then after fit and the predict iso models fit X train, Y train and then predict the scaled, then evaluate the model isotonic, then store the result isotonic square and MSC. Then after we will get the isotonic regression mean square error 267062487.74. Then isotonic regression R square value is 0.3298476734955. Then next step is converting the result dictionary to data frame easier comparison. Then display the data frame. You can also sort data frame by R square or MSC for better insight optional. Then MSC and R square rigid regression 2.5454 and rigid regression R square is 0.3589. Then isotonic regression 2.67 and R square is 0.3298 and sort result by R square is rigid regression MSC 25548. Here that is the equal value you can get. Then after saving CSV file, then all of the observation is linear and rigid regression models performed well when the data was scaled. Decision tree and random forest model can capture complex nonlinear relationship without scaling. Isotonic regression was tested for monotonic relationship, rent price increases and house size increases. When last random forest often performs better when handling complex data because of its consumable nature. Here, this is the friend house prediction